In 2016, the biggest software company in the world launched an AI chatbot on Twitter. It was designed to talk like a teenager and learn from every conversation. Within 16 hours, the company had to shut it down because it had a major problem. In this video, we will talk about which company built it, why it went wrong so fast, and how proper AI governance could have prevented this. Let's begin. If you're new here, my name is Lata, Head of AI Governance and Director at Global AI Certification Council. I read AI incident reports from around the world. I help you understand how they happen and how to prevent them with proper AI governance. It was March 2016. Microsoft launched an experimental chatbot on Twitter called Tay. Tay was designed to sound like an American teenager. Casual language, slang, emojis. The idea was that Tay would get better at conversation. That was the whole point. Tay learned from the public in real time. Microsoft had already run a similar chatbot in China called Xiaoice, and it had worked really well. Millions of people used it without a problem. So Microsoft launched Tay in the United States, expecting something similar. Within hours, a group of users on Twitter worked out what was happening. They realized that whatever they said to Tay, Tay would absorb and repeat. Some of them started deliberately feeding racist, anti-Semitic, and inflammatory statements. Tay started repeating them. Then Tay started generating own versions of them. Tay posted a denial of a historical genocide, posted racial slurs, and political attacks, all of it from an official Microsoft account. Microsoft shut Tay down after 16 hours and deleted the worst of the posts. A week later, Microsoft accidentally reactivated Tay during testing. She began posting nonsense again and was taken offline permanently. The company issued a public apology. We have a term for this in AI governance: data poisoning. Data poisoning is when attackers deliberately feed corrupted data into a system's learning process so the AI model itself changes. Microsoft had tested Tay against a friendly audience in China, but they had not tested it before in the United States. So could this have been prevented? Yes, that's why AI governance matters. So I'm going to share with you 5 governance controls that could have significantly reduced the risk. Number 1, adversarial testing before launch. Before an AI system meets the public, a red team must actively try to break it. This is to test what happens when people attack it on purpose. Number 2, never let a system learn from users without a filter. If an AI updates itself from the live user input, everything it learns must pass through content safeguards first. Learning in production without a filter means the public is training your model. Number 3, real-time monitoring with a kill switch. Someone must be watching the output as it happens, with clear authority and a tested process to shut down the system immediately if something bad happens. Number 4, risk assessment for every new deployment context. Xiaoice worked in China. Tay was launched onto a different platform, into a different culture with a different user base. A system that is safe in one context may not be safe in another context too. So every new market or new platform needs its own risk assessment before launch. Number 5, named ownership and a clear escalation path. Someone must own the system in production with named responsibility and the authority to act. 16 hours of public harm, and someone should have the power to pull it quickly. This is what AI governance is all about. The job of an AI governance professional is to catch these problems well in advance and prevent them before an AI turns your brand into a public embarrassment. That's why an AI governance job is very important in an organization, and these roles are growing 150% year on year. Hey, by the way, if you're interested in pursuing a career in AI governance, please do check out our Certified Professional in AI Governance certification. I have left a link in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this discussion. Here is a quick question for you. If you see this case study, it is quite similar to the prompt injection case study I shared before. So I'm putting the link here. What do you think is the difference between prompt injection and adversarial input manipulation? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you are interested in learning more about AI governance through real life examples and case studies, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.